Hi guys, today we're gonna replace AC compressor. So I'm gonna show you how to replace it. First, we just have to recover all the refrigerant in the AC system, and from there we're gonna remove the compressor. So after removing all the refrigerant, we have to remove the belt. So this is the tensioner. We just have to use 17 mm to loosen that, and we can remove the belt. So I already removed the undercover, so I don't know if you can see that. That's our tensioner there for the belt, and looks like he needs also a new belt. So we just have to remove that, and we're ready to remove the whole compressor. We just have to remove the lines, and then that's it. So make sure when you remove the belt too, you put it in the same way. So you just draw your cover. Now let's remove the lines. So I removed the lines already. So we just have to remove the connector harness in this one. We're ready to remove the and just put it away. And now we're gonna remove the whole compressor. It's 12 mm, the mounting bolts on that. Oh, it's tight, man. Yes, Jay.
Oh, you have a Ford.
Huh? Oh.
This already affects the other because James can.
This is broken. What? What did you say?
Did you keep the forge this one or?
Why? There's no bolt?
No, I'm
I
asking.
think there's a bolt.
Oh, there's a bolt.
I think so.
Uh-huh.
If not, just put some bolt there. You're covering the video, man.
Oh. I'm so sorry, subscribers.
So that was the J. He's the super apprentice here.
I'm a mechanic.
So bolt now. So just right. It's up. So let's start compressor. On these compressors, the product control. So now let's put it in, and first we'll just compare the new one. Make sure that they're all the same. So this is the old part, and this is the new one. So we'll just compare, and if it's good, we're ready to put it on. So this one is the new compressor. They pre-filled it already, so there's some other, but let's pre-fill it. So we touch the so let's put it together. Let's put it in reverse order. before you put it back, just quickly inspect the gasket, check it's not there's no damage, but do it properly, you replace your new gasket. Just come with the gasket, just put the old one. There's a box there? So right now I'm just doing vacuuming, so to take out all the moisture. So at least you do that for 30 minutes, and after that recharge it with 1 pound and 4 ounces. That's the spec, and verify if it's blowing cold air. So after charging the system, let's verify we have cold air. Turn the AC, max blower fan, and phase level mode. So far it's blowing cold air, and let's verify. Let's check our gauge and see if our gauge reading is good. So now on our gauge reading, so our low side is around 40 psi and our high side around 200 psi, so that's good. And our complaint is fixed, and that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.